By the time the dust had settled and the fires had died down, more than 360,000 people were dead. Entire families had been wiped out. The death toll was so high that mass graves had to be dug. Aleppo was once considered to be one of the largest and wealthiest cities in the world. It was known as the City of Jasmine because of its many perfumeries. But after the earthquake, it was a shadow of its former self. All the great buildings were reduced to rubble, and the once proud citizens of Aleppo were left